Hi guys, it's your friendly neighborhood Twani from Digital Scrapbooking Studio, here with another tutorial. We are going to do some sunset ombres on this wonderful photo of Tessa today. It was taken just after sunset, so I want to fake it. I love this about Photoshop. First, we have to load my brand new Sunset Ombre Actions. All right, ready? Let's go over to the Actions. If you don't have it, you go to Window, Actions, and it will pop it open. Okay, mine's popped open. So now we're going to go ahead and load it. Click on the three little lines at the top right and choose Load Actions. All right, navigate to where you're keeping yours. It's called the LAD Member Bonus Ombre. I've got it open, unzipped, all that. There's also PNGs if you don't want to run the action, but we're here, so we're going to run the action. Click on the Sunset Ombre Actions and then hit Load. Ta-da! There it is. Don't worry about your original photo. The first thing this action will do is duplicate your photo. All right, hit play and don't blink. And there it is. All right, we can now open the photo and adjust it. I've picked my favorite part of the action to have my favorite sunset effect, but we can adjust it. So let's stop the little note and let's play. Okay, let's play. We're going to go ahead and open up the folder by clicking on it. And you can see that each of the 6 sunset gradients is set in there and it's got a fun little name. All right, first thing to notice, at the folder layers where I set the blend mode and the opacity. This makes it quick and easy to just choose our look and then we can adjust it further. So let's take a look at all the different sunsets. All right, this is the one I like best, the early sunset, because again, we're right after it. And vibrant sunset, deep sunset, fuchsia sunset, late sunset, and even final sunset to give the photo a dark and moody look. Now once you pick your favorite one, and again I like the early sunset one best, make any adjustments to the folder. You could do that by changing the blend mode, and you can go color burn and it's a little bit more vibrant, deeper, glowier, if that's even a word. Or you can go to something softer like soft light, which gives it more of a haze. So you can do that. I chose multiply and that is the default for this action. Or you can go ahead and change the opacity to give it more or less color. So if you go all the way up to 100%, your color really deepens, and that can be great, or it can be too much. I think it's too much. You can also tone it down, so go to something like 16%, and you just have a little bit of hue in the clouds. It's completely up to you. It's totally customizable, and you can even go wild and layer 2 of them. How fun could that be? I don't know. Give it a go. Happy scrapping. This is Twani from Digital Scrapbooking Studio.